Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream caramel using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients like sugar, eggs, milk, and vanilla. To begin, prepare the caramel by melting about 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan until it turns a beautiful golden color. Carefully pour this hot caramel into individual ramekins or a 9-inch baking dish, ensuring an even coating at the bottom. This forms the delicious base for our dessert. Next, let's craft the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk 3 large eggs and 1/4 cup of sugar together until the mixture is light and well combined. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's warm but not boiling. Slowly temper the warm milk into the egg mixture, stirring constantly. This prevents the eggs from scrambling and creates a smooth, silky custard. Now it's time for baking and chilling. Carefully pour the custard mixture over the caramel in your prepared dishes. Place these dishes into a larger baking pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water to create a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes until the custard is just set. Finally, chill your cream caramel for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, for the best texture. To serve your delightful dessert, run a thin knife around the edge of each ramekin to gently loosen the custard. Then, carefully invert the dish onto a serving plate, allowing that luscious caramel sauce to flow beautifully over the top. It's a truly elegant and satisfying treat. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Their lifetime warranty makes them a fantastic choice for comfort and durability. Enjoy your homemade cream caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.